Hi, welcome. Today I will be reviewing the anti-theft alarm, the TH9 from New Direction. It's a tackle system which you can connect to your receiver. You know, the famous receiver we already reviewed, and the bite alarms. It comes in a great case with a silicone protection. You see, it's the same design as the bite alarms, so you can put it on your rod pot or put it on a bank stick somewhere along your fishing area. The great thing about it is you connect it to your box, your sounder box. So when I put it on and the system will be activated, it will go off on your bite alarm. You see? So now you hear also the alarm on the system. You can also turn it on silent mode, so you have no alarm on the TH9, but you have an alarm on the sounder box, so the thief will not know you're coming for him. Also a great thing, what I think, is the night mode. You can turn the lights off, so when you're on a big lake or you need some light at your area where you're fishing, when you put it on the rod pot, you can turn the light on. The great thing about it is when you need to get your tackles in the water again, and you're on a big lake, you always can find your place back because you have the blue light. So okay, you know where to row. You can also put on the battery pack. So if you put on the battery pack, same as your bite alarms, you can recharge it. It comes with the same batteries as the bite alarms. Also, you can put it in your tackle box. I have it here. You can fit it in here also if you have a 3.1, because there's a space free. If you have a 4.1, then the box is full, but yeah, most people have 3.1, so yeah, you can put it in there. Also, you have the illuminated ring. We tested it outside, and the sensitivity is really good, because you cannot come close to your rods or walk side of the side of your rods. It will be detected. So yeah, your alarm will go off for sure. You need to take care of the surrounding, because if you have a lot of high grass or moving parts with the wind, yeah, then it will go off. So you need to place it on a good spot, but you will figure it out when you're using it. I think it's a great product, also waterproof, so when it's rainy, no problem. Same as the bite alarms. Great finishing touch, strong, and yeah, I cannot talk too much about it, because it does what it needs to do, and it keeps the thief away, and you will be alarmed, and that's what it needed to do. So yeah, I think it's a great product.